In today's video, we're going to be talking about the brand new Jasper AI's paragraph generator. That's going to show you how to create paragraphs quickly without using long form assistance. It's a great way you can put together a blog post extremely quickly as well. So I've actually tested this a little bit. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to write about your keyword. You're going to write about the keywords that you're trying to rank for. So our keyword is lose 30 pounds by summer. So we're going to put in our paragraph what it's about. So the better the input that you put into Jasper, the better the output is going to come out. For the paragraph, we put how to lose 30 pounds by summer with the keto diet. So the more context you give Jasper, the better it's going to do. And then for the tone of voice, there's so many different things you can do. Witty, friendly, anger. You can actually do Joe Rogan. You can do people, whatever you want. And then so we're going to hit 10 outputs, and then we're going to have Jasper write some information for us. Okay, so the first one we have is looking to lose weight quickly for the summer. The keto diet may be just what you need. The high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet can help you lose weight quickly and has shown to be particularly effective for those who want to lose 30 pounds or more. While the keto diet can be challenging to stick to, the results are worth it. By following the keto diet and making some simple lifestyle changes, you can lose weight quickly and get ready for the summer. This could be a great social media post. You have a little image or creative that shows something about keto or you losing weight. I don't know anything about the health niche, to be honest with you, but this sounds very accurate. Summer is the perfect time to lose those extra pounds and get back into shape. The warmer weather means that we can finally get outside and enjoy some physical activity. And of course, there's always swimsuit season to think about. One great way to lose weight quickly is by following the keto diet. This low-carb, high-fat diet has been shown to lead to rapid weight loss. In fact, studies have shown that people on the keto diet can lose up to 2 pounds per week. So if you're looking to lose 30 pounds by the summer, the keto diet may be right for you. Of course, with any diet, it's important to speak with your doctor before starting, right? So that's great. I don't know anything about the keto diet, but this makes me want to take action and start losing weight. So let's try a different example. Okay, so for my example is why am I losing my hair at such a young age? I got a receding hairline already. I'm upset about it, but let's see what Jasper has to say about my receding hairline. So if you're doing this for blogging, I would always tell you to include a keyword as well, and you do a tone of voice to try and match your brand. So there are many reasons why someone might be starting to lose their hair at a young age. It could be due to medical conditions such as alopecia or thyroid disease, or it could be a side effect of certain medications. Genetics also play a role, as hair loss can be passed down from parent to children. Stress or poor diets are a common cause of hair loss. If you're concerned about losing your hair, it's important to see a doctor or dermatologist to find out the cause. There are treatments available for some conditions, and changing your lifestyle may help improve your hair health. Whatever cause losing your hair can be a daunting and stressful experience. So that sounds really good. So I could definitely see this on a long form blog post, or even if you just threw some stuff up on social media as well. But this is definitely a viable solution for if you don't have the long form assistance or the boss mode. You could definitely throw some of your questions from Ahrefs in the paragraph generator and make some great content. What I love about Jasper AI is the content is readable and it's concise and it's understandable. So if you guys have any questions about the paragraph generator or Jasper AI, do me a huge favor, do yourself a huge favor, hit the link down below and grab yourself a free demo or free 10,000 word credits. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions.